If you want to explore the web with the help of ChatGPT, what you can do is you can utilize WebPilot. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here. And over here on the top, I'm going to go around and type in WebPilot right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is the first option that pops up. And I'm going to go around and click on Start Chat right here. And you can see that WebPilot is here. So now, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, what is one of the positive news for today right here, and it'll set out the web for content right here, and then it'll start the action, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and allow it to access to the web right here, just like this, and it uses WebPilot, as you can see right here. And it says one of the positive news today is about Austrian Harris, who has appointed 50 citizens to give away her 25 million fortune. This is a generous act that aims to empower individuals and support various causes and initiatives, as you can see right here. So this is what you can do. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and see what is the most popular article on Wikipedia right here, just like this. So I can go around and then ask it contents based on web, and I'm just going to go around and allow it out right here to gain access to the content. And what happens is that it talks to WebPilot right here, and it says the most popular Wikipedia article for the week of June 9 to 15, 2024, is the UEFA Euro 2024. So that is what you have, as you can see, and that is what WebPilot actually does in ChatGPT. It gives you insights of different contents on the web. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.